Voices carry journeys from quiet homes to crowded streets. Worlds unfolding in a conversation, an educational podcast, a circle of minds learning from each other. Aphamazwi ethathibana khona aphivelaphi zethu zibalisa amabali indawo yokwabelana ngezimvo ngehlabathi. Asifaya podcast imikhali ikhuzulwa ngubahle sive ngicela umfo wasemamfeleni olisa ohlathi ojambase imfene zimabutho ahlutana ukuthola kwelanga. Asifaya podcast.
Yes, so you back.
Okay. We running already.
Okay. Run juice.
Everybody, welcome to the new episode. Road to 1,000 subscribers, 1K subscribers. I welcome you. Thank you for joining us on this conversation today. I'm not alone. I'm with Spicho Makave.
Ahoy,
How's it, Spicho? How's it, Spicho?
ahoy. I'm
Yeah.
good, my brother. Yeah, it's been a hectic day, eh?
Mm,
It's been a hectic day, but all is well.
yeah.
All is good. All is under control.
Reporting from Sandton.
Inshallah, Buddha,
Yeah.
the richest square mile in Africa.
Oh, my
Phew,
boy.
it's the malini kunuka
That's
imali,
why.
yeah.
That's why.
Ah,
We're moving around.
Inshallah.
Moving around.
Inshallah.
How's Sandton for you? So
Because we are here to work. I haven't explored it yet,
yeah.
but yeah, the pace. That's what
Nice.
I love about Joburg.
Yeah.
Yeah, inshallah.
Bro, thank you so much for joining us, Issa.
Yeah,
Yeah.
what's up, man?
Today we have a very special guest, extraordinaire. You know, you're the first artist to actually come right
Oh,
on
for
here.
real?
Yeah,
Alright, cool.
amazing.
Yeah, blessed.
I'm so impressed by this versatility we have. And the people that we have come to this show, we trust their mind to interpret things for those that for those that are watching out there. My
Okay.
brother, let me welcome you on Asvayung.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
How
Yeah.
you doing?
Oh, no, I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm good. I'm happy that I made it.
Yeah. Did you struggle to get here?
Ish. It was a hassle, but then I
Ne?
made it, yeah.
Mm.
Juice ke ka se akanyana at least. I got nna ka tletse Pitori, so
Yeah.
jaanong ko juice. Ish.
Bro, how
I'm
long you
still
been here?
finding- Here is in like Joburg.
Yeah, Gauteng,
Gauteng as a whole,
Mm.
including Pretoria.
including
Yeah.
yeah.
You were born
Sis-
here, Mus.
I was born
You were born here?
I was born in Pretoria, grew up in the Eastern Cape. Then I came back to Pretoria. Then I stayed more years in Pretoria than Joburg. In Joburg, I moved to Joburg in 2022.
Mm.
Then after I went to Eastern Cape, which was 99. Then I came back to Pretoria in 2011 and 2011 to early 2022. Then 2022 April, I came to Joburg.
What was the movement about? Like you having to go to Eastern Cape and having to come back.
All right. As a kid, it was different. It was based more on parents.
Mm.
My mom, actually, not even my dad,
Yeah.
my mom. But I think what maybe changed the whole thing, the whole format was because of my parents divorced. So now I was living with my mom. So whatever happens with my mom, it has to like include me and my brother as well.
Mm.
So me and my little brother moved to the Eastern Cape because my mom got an opportunity in England. Ngaleskhathi bokuhamba amanesi too much. Yeah, so she went that side. I just forgot the year because we went to Eastern Cape in 99 and something did. She was supposed to leave in 99, but then something delayed, but we were already that side.
Mm.
So my mom was like, they might as well stay. I think we're in 2000. They might as well stay Bachwaele because they're finding it difficult already and maybe they're finding their feet there. So I'm just going to leave with 2000, something delayed 99. That was the reason because nobody was going to stay with us in Pretoria. Then after that, I went to KZN. Yeah, actually, I don't know.
You
Now,
lived.
no,
You lived.
actually, yeah.
You should be part
No,
of the
yeah.
crew.
Yeah, no.
You should be.
So yeah, long story short, just came back to Gauteng after matriculating. Ebenezer, benginaye kuMakhaveli, yeah, yabo. So then it was my decision, manje ukuthi I want to study this, I want to go to the school. Then after schooling, the whole decision yokuze Jozi, living Pretoria, I was like, nah, I think I did everything in Pretoria. I want to challenge myself, and the industry that I'm in is more in Joburg. So let me come to Jozi.
And as a child, what are some of the things that maybe challenged you or ended up shaping you to be that person that you are today?
Let me think. Challenge.
You know,
Not,
as,
not
as,
much.
as kids, we grow up. Sometimes, like Siapesha, you have this, which is not like other kids.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have your own like wellness chaos. For me, it was confidence. I was
Yeah.
not confident enough. So all these things, when they happen, they end up shaping you or channeling you into what you end up pursuing. Did you have anything like that?
Well, in terms of confidence, I can say a little bit because I was still trying to look or find rather something that I'm really good at, like that I can just I'm feeling I think I show off on and music brought that.
Yeah.
Because even with dating ekhaya singabantwana da I dated singimdala. Even my younger brother dated before me because I wasn't cool enough for the girls. So bengihlakaniphile, well articulated, but sizilalini apha mfethu
Yeah.
uyakwazi ukusenga.
I
Yabo.
definitely
yeah.
get that. And for someone that's watching and have no idea who I'm sitting with, this man went to school with people like AKA. You recently did a tour with Big Zulu.
Yeah.
So you meet these big brands from time to time because you are an artist musician, right?
Yeah.
So that's the guest we have today. We're gonna be talking about music business. We're gonna be talking about the trials and errors that artists get themselves into when they're into this thing.
Yeah. Yeah. You said a lot there. And you caught me by surprise. Yeah, Mr. Matthews. Why Issa Matthews?
Ewana, Diman, one little love, you know.
Yeah.
All right. So I was born in a Muslim what family? Islam, Sabet. Or Arabic? No, Muslim, because my dad is not Arabic. So my friend.
Abantu bakuthi
So,
Issa
yeah.
Matthews, yeah.
So
ubalindela.
my dad was a Muslim. Mangithi was because he passed away in 2016. Yeah.
May his soul rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Yeah, well, so yeah, that's my dad. Then my mom is from Islalini, Eastern Cape, Sterkspruit. Then yeah, irreligion wamthola ekuyo is by Muslim. So as you know, structure Sinjani, the woman will also follow that. So that's how I got my name. My younger brother's name is Amin, and then my half brother Imran. So we all have Arabic names. Even my mom has one, Fatima, but igama lakhe Khaya Ntombenja. So yeah, that's how it came.
fascinating.
That's how it
Yeah.
came up. Yeah. So Isa, then Matthews. Oh, long story. His grandfather's name was Matthews. Then when his father came to Gauteng, used the name as his surname. So his bloodline was Matthews. Otherwise, my surname was supposed to be, but I'm not going to mention that.
All right. Yeah.
I'll
Let's
never mention
let
that.
bygones be bygones.
Yeah. So yeah,
okay.
that's how Isa Matthews came up.
All right.
Yeah.
One thing people don't know about you, Guti, you went to school for music. So you're a qualified sound engineer.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Qualified.
Yeah.
Tell us more about that. Ufundapi. And
I studied at the Academy of Sound Engineering in Auckland Park, Josie, obviously, at the SABC. Then I did 1 year there. School fees beskapa.
yeah.
Then I was like, my mom, we are Carl, and I could see she's just trying for me to get the best, but I could see. So
How much were we looking at during that time?
I heard
one,
it's
it was one. It was 2009. Yeah, it was me and my brother. So if ngikhumbula kahle, I remember seeing, because at that time I'm excited ngale nto endiyenzayo, but I remember into ezinama payslip nanto zidlula nama invoice, and I was like, 55. It was just me alone.
Hmm.
Still my brother. So 55.
55,000 per annum.
That's 55.
You.
So yeah, we did 1 year. In September of that year, they even took our access cards because yeah, I
You-
didn't get this card. I think it was August, September. Yeah. Then we had to catch up because December is a final exams. So in a part in like 2 months or a month, yeah, that we didn't get anything like in the I think besamention abantu. Besamention abantu. It was
Yeah.
ASE da, Marburg ASE.
So I think we can take it from right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, guys, technology. You might be sitting with a qualified sound engineer. Izawuvela ithule ngoku kunjalo.
Hayi, engandibekeli pressure.
But
Why ingalungisi?
wayengalungi umosha ngabo.
Yeah.
But ke into zakhona.
I try actually, if you remember while you guys were testing me, bengingakwazi uzibamkhali iyabuya le nto ukuthi hayi bo khawu actually bayazi into. Yes, niyayazi, but nalanto okay, just move that gain to 12 o'clock, then quarter past kuduma leyo nto.
Yeah.
Namhlanje wenye into. Yeah.
But
We can roll on, right?
yeah, it's
yeah.
cool. But yeah.
We were talking about some of the some people who went there,
Alumni,
and you were telling us that many people who are at the backstage,
Yeah.
like working on production and
A
all
lot,
that.
yeah.
Yeah. Is that one of your, like, why did you choose to be on stage than being behind?
I'm a superstar.
I love that. I love
I'm a
that.
superstar.
Yeah.
I've always wanted to be a star. I've always wanted to be on TV. Always just wanted to be a rock star.
Mm.
So I went into sound engineering because of I love music. I'm an artist. I want to be a star. But then when you get there, then that's where this thing is broad and it's complex. Because even my aunts were like, "Ay, bosisi, uzasumntana esikolweni for ukuba DJ." That's what they thought. And you
Yeah.
wouldn't blame them. They come from a different generation and semakai.
Mm.
So I was like, nah, I'm going to prove it as long as my mom is willing to support me. And I think now what unlocked my mom, which Abe more westernized, going abroad. So
Oh.
it's more of you going to, you look back at tavern. Oh, uyanyathela wena. Ah, sorry mfethu. Yeah, ubothi sorry. Then when you go to a club, you will feel good. Ay, ngizozihlaza mangathi uyanyathela. This place. So now I think waba nalento. Oh, the world is like this outside of South Africa, outside of Eslalini. So yeah, that's how it started with me ukuthi ndiesikolweni, because I wanted to be a musician. Funny enough, I thought bazondenza ngikule ngcono.
Yeah.
But ngikula umlomo uzongikhulisa kanjani ngcono. And then when I got there, they dissect a computer, big lena, a mixer by car and everything. I'm like, yo, this thing.
Yeah.
You see, so then while you're doing that sound engineering, there's music business, there's music law. That's when you want to run a label. If you're an artist or sign a contract, you need to know those things. It's
Mm.
like, okay, I'm in the right place. I got more than what I expected, basically.
Mm.
Yeah.
So isikolo sibaluleke ngaloo nto. It broadens your knowledge and your horizon.
Casper kana school.
But AKA unaso.
Okay, yes. And you can tell by the music.
Okay.
Yeah. You have,
Aye,
you have a
yeah, I
point.
don't- I don't
Hey,
know
you
what guys-
Machiavellied
I
me
don't-
there, yo.
I don't know what you guys. How do you tell? How do you differentiate? Because
Can I answer
Serious?
that for you?
no, me, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
For real?
Yeah. How could you tell? That's a great question, actually. Sibona kanjani isikolo?
Right now, Or maybe ukuthi ngizocompare into it's going to be unfair to Casper because this is what happens when umuntu engasekho umusic wakhe. That's why like yo we listen to it yo every time ngikhumbula no Casper same thing's going to happen. God forbid should ahambe. That's how we are as people. Ukuthi ishakasekho, so let me not use that one because we're not appreciating Casper right now because ukhona. But when it comes to the quality, guy, the song structure, putting together of words, the simplest words is got AKA are memorable. The simplest words got AKA can make you look at current affairs in a club song. By the way, Run Josie, for example, Run Josie is a club song, but the message in that guy's verse, you see, so
Yeah.
he has that. AKA released one song to Casper responding to the diss track, to the diss tracks composure, the way he wrote it, his cadence. Come on. There's more I could say, but I don't want to make it about AKA too much, but they approach music differently.
Well, my response to that will sound so naive. What you've got to say, Spijo? You know, like I mean,
Yeah, you can say your opinion first, then answer you, Fala, because I wish even this conversation. Or
Yeah.
let me go in actually.
I- should I say
Go.
something? Maybe you can just umbrella it on my
Okay,
side.
sure.
Well, for me, I think I've come to appreciate AKA right now in his absence,
Okay.
but I've been appreciating and I'm still appreciating Ukes by his music. I love the taste, the sounds. I don't see what you see. And again, the reason I'm saying I think it's gonna be naivety is because I think you go in depth of analysis.
Oh, yeah.
You understand what I mean? Because for me, there's a songs like Malume, where he
Okay.
featured Mahotela Queens.
Yeah.
Songs like I Hope You Bought It. These are flawless songs, bro, you know, for me. And even now, so I think my relatability to Casper is coming from a situation that I know and I relate with, and packaging it in a way that I see that, oh, it's possible for me to get there as
Yeah.
well. Whereas with AKA, it would be maybe differences of background that I hear what you're saying. Maybe I cannot relate with where you come from, your English, but with Casper, I can relate that much. So yeah, that's my opinion.
Yeah, I think you have a point there because if we could put Casper no AKA as a black child from Elokshini or in the rural areas, you're gonna relate to Casper. I relate to Casper. Hence, Mauti, I hope you bought it. Ish, I know how it hits. Yeah, but
You know exactly what he's talking about.
I know exactly what you're talking about. And now you just said something with mase ngiyilalela mina ngiyilalela like in depth. So I think that's why, because AKA's pen game is the simplest things. Right now, I'm gonna release an album, by the way, this year. Superstar
real?
Material. Yeah, I'm dropping an album. Last week I did a song with Ifani on the album. Oh,
Oh.
I'm saying this for the first time.
Oh.
Here on the podcast.
Oh.
So you see, like his pen game is a I'm gonna leave you guys the tracks.
Oh, bro.
I'm gonna leave the album with you guys. So Zozo, it's the simplest things you say, but they just mean yeah. AKA nje,
On this-
his pen game. His pen
On
game.
this AKA and Casper Nto, how I wish we did have this conversation, Nano Isa,
Is it?
while AKA was still alive.
Yeah.
I remember we dissect a lot of the music
Yeah.
business. That's why I love
And
him
by the
so
way,
much.
abantu bangathini bias, guys. My favorite rapper in Africa is Questa. Yeah, I never mentioned Questa. That's my favorite rapper in Africa.
Mm.
AKA is not in my top 5, but he is in my top 10. So I'm
Yo.
not even defending him. He's not in my top
I'm
5.
gonna watch your top 5. Go for it. Spijo.
Yes.
AKA wenza i-classics bafethu.
Yeah.
I-album yakhe
I
EP
clean with
ne-EP
AKA.
yakhe wenza i-classics and uyabonakala ukuthi uyile esikolweni for music.
Yeah.
Just to sum it
I
up.
see it in me now. Hence, the album. It's the simplest things I'm saying. That's my best
Catchy
album,
phrase.
trust me.
Is
And
this-
one thing I love about AKA conscious,
Exactly.
conscious political things azithatha zifake eklabhini as he has said.
Yes.
So wenza ube politically conscious.
But still dance.
Yeah, but still having fun. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
No, I hear you. I mean, I'm not so much so big into our hip hop, but I do have songs that I love. Many songs.
Yeah.
We're gonna talk about your album, bro. I'm
Alright.
interested as well. Do you have anything, Speecho, before I move on with my questions?
Yeah, with the hip hop, there's always comparison
Yeah,
always
it will
comes
never
up.
end.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it'll never
It'll never
end.
end with
Yeah.
hip-hop.
Give me your top 5.
For real? You're gonna.
Hayi masifayeke
Hayi, 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 Jayfuna. Jayfuna, it's a game.
Yeah.
You can consider it as a game. Because to me, it's
Okay,
interesting that it
how
will
do
be
would it-
AKA,
Yeah.
And the top
Orchestra.
5.
Both of them are not there.
Yeah.
No. They're not there.
Okay.
They are the money where I want to be, but the principles of hip hop and everything, that's where I base my top 5.
Okay.
Then there are about commercial who still have those principles, so I put them in my list year top 5. Then 10, that's where I put Nam Superstars and. Yabo.
I want to make this easy for you.
Yeah.
Give me top 3 and
Oh,
analyze
that's-
only
that's-
top 1, which is Casper.
that's even worse. Top 3.
Mm.
Stop
Let me give you
5.
5. No, no, please, yo.
In no
Okay.
particular order, because Sesma's your
Dead
number
or-
1
Dead
is
or
Quest.
alive or dead and alive.
Yeah, both.
And alive.
Mm.
Okay, then Quest is not number 1.
Ha!
Pro is number 1.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
That's
God!
why I always ask that ukuthi ngingacheat.
Ish.
Yeah. So mention. So Mfethu Double H. Mfethu, you didn't say dead and alive. You said rappers.
Yeah.
So Pro, Questa, Double H, Touchline, Maraza. It's
Bro,
simple.
how do you analyze like the top 1 artist? Like, what makes a good artist for you?
With the first artist, this is the thing. Iba too personal in a way. My first rap name was Pro Style. Why? Because in style ska pro. Or ngifuna ukuba ne-style ska pro at that time. That's how I started rapping. I was busy Pro Style. So it will always be the first person who gave me my name without him being aware. He gave me my name, Pro Style. The first time I left ISA was that name. Yabo.
Mhm.
Then from there, his pen game, I studied him so much, I mimicked him so much that I felt like nobody can be better than this guy. A couple of albums later, I would fight with people. Nasa scale. I would argue with people more pro. So that person will always be here. And then he's no more. But agapumanga ewile. Like, see his work now. Put down the mic. No. So I can't disrespect him like that. Then the second one, who's my number 2, is because of he's the kid of Pro Style. I mean, Pro Kid. Mina no Questa, we are the same. The way I write, Questa writes, same. So I could see that with, hey, I see myself in this guy. That's how he became my number 2 or my number 1 if there's no pro, because I see myself in Questa. Then I see Touchline in me and Questa because he comes after us. It's just that Mina Angabi famous to Touchline.
What's the distinction? Like, what is it that you see from Pro to Questa to you
Okay.
as well?
What made me fall in love with hip hop specifically? Wordplay. Trick abantu. I loved that thing.
Metaphors.
It's metaphors. Like even in class, Boso and Zama speech and what.
English was your favorite language.
That was my favorite. I was just bad in spelling. Yeah, I'm bad in
You
spelling.
guys went to the same
Yeah.
school.
He
Same,
was my senior. Actually.
Yeah.
Bening a quick class in A1.
No.
Oh, okay.
But we know each other like, yeah.
Yeah.
Best Ivana.
Yeah.
Actually, when in
Yeah,
after
Hey.
this is an unfair advantage towards everyone else because I know this guy. When he graduated and left high school in the hip hop, I'm fair to.
I used to run ciphers.
Yeah,
I used to battle. That's why I come
Oh.
from the school of battling. I come from the school of freestyling from the top. Makuthiwa kuzoba ne-speech or poet. And funny enough, I'm not inspired by poetry within rap, but I could. angivele ngibhale ingoma ye-rap ndiyithethe instead of ndiyicule. As long as it rhymes and wordplay. I like tricking people.
Mm.
I like tricking people. Sebenzise igama eliyi-one limini into eziyi-two. Do you get it? You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, uthi Sprite, white, yeah, but uyayithola ukuthi
Sprite.
yeah, right. You
Bro,
get it.
I think that's real art.
Yeah.
But you always had it in mind that you would be going to hip hop genre, or did you battle with some
Well,
with other genres before?
I started with kwaito. I think iya nange
Influence of that time.
influence and vocabulary, because now ukhumbula ukuthi I'm in primary. Hayi, bathi la magama today yabo nonchalant. I was at that time, but the more uya esikolweni ufunda isingisi, oh okay, and ukhumbule hip hop is influences states. So maqala wazi ukuthi isilungu, plus I come from ePitori where I was in a private school, so coconut nyana bukhona yabo. So I didn't lose that because yonke lento iqala ngisemakhaya stack. So I didn't lose that. Started lahlele towards the English, but abantu surrounding yam. That's where I even studied a target market, this whole thing a target market, even though I didn't know the term at that time. Kanza rapper English, abantu balapha eBheneza, eBlue Gums abazondiva mos. Estek abazothi hawu utshontsha ama-lyrics ka-Eminem because it's all English. But xa ndingabethi isiXhosa ndithethe ngenkomo la bayibona everyday, hayi nguye. Hayi nguye. Straight, you see.
Ngiyavuma.
So it started with kwaito, then some things were not cool enough for kwaito, like English. And I started like writing in English. I can't do kwaito in English. It has never been done. Closest was Kabelo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yabona? Yeah, that was the closest from the top of my head I could think of. Umuntu bekekwazi ukufaka English, but I was like, nah, it's not me. Because I used to even call myself Pantsula for life. I mean, ngile Pantsula. But I don't even dress up like this. I like this whole thing. And yeah, well, then I was like, nah. Kwaito guys, I think ngiyowenza i-higher grade yalento yokurapha. So standard grade akasale kwaito, higher grade was hip hop. Then I went for hip hop. And then when I went to school, hence they unlock your mind. I started becoming an all-round musician. I would write. I've written for Lady Zama, Holy Ray, Miss P. So I started writing for.
Who's
other
this
people.
guy?
I started
Superstar
writing
material.
for superstar material.
Oh, you ghostwriter.
Yeah, that's why I got even amachita and be a musical genius, because I would also
Bro,
write
it's
for other
amazing.
people.
And
I
thanks to sorry.
Yeah.
Thanks to isikolo, ne?
Yeah. Now that one I'll give it to school.
The way in terms of time, the way we structured this interview, I think people are just gonna come for us. All right. I feel like we need to give it more time.
Yeah.
There's more into this. Now I understand why people enjoy this kind of podcast. It's because like it's so easy to resonate with. Like, I mean,
Yeah.
we stand for mindset, beliefs. You gotta think. Like, you understand? The conversation is gets stuck in your mind. So this is why, like, you take me back. I mean,
Yeah.
you work with iFunny. I grew up with iFunny.
After 15 years, imagine. I've
Bro.
been begging for that feature. I got it after 15 years.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Machiavelli.
Yeah, and if the industry, in any industry actually, you get to meet these people okanye nibe sendaweni eyi-one,
Yeah.
not knowing sometimes bona they are at different stage of their careers and whatnot. So again, working with them, uyabona,
Yeah.
it's another thing. So how being in Pretoria, Joburg, and say Eastern Cape, didn't you struggle like to cater for your audience or finding your niche? Because ePitori kiSpitori, Rabulela,
Right.
eJozi, then Eastern Cape, you're mentioning or touchline,
Yeah.
a different style and different yabona audience. You mentioned iFunny.
Yeah.
Didn't you struggle with that?
Nah, not really. Because all these people are my friends, actually. iFunny, Touchline. So with me being friends with Touchline, I can tap into, okay, like Josie, nimuva kanjani. Ngiyangithola.
Okay.
And besides, it's like I funny. I mean, Touchline is an offspring of Pro. Nah, it's just like me. So it's just easy. Understand that. Nje
Okay.
kahle. I funny the village. Sithetha ngesiXhosa ke ngoku. And this is the first commercially successful Xhosa rapper. And I you know how I used to ask him, "Nabengena endaweni kuthiwa kuno-iPhone, I will make a plan. There's somebody I have to meet." So Mrs. Dibana just flow. But I think at that time he was preoccupied and it was his prime peak. So you wouldn't blame him that much with maybe kanjani, but I never gave up. So with me it was never into enzima because even Spitori, I rap in Spitori, ke ngwala ka Spitori. I actually enjoy Spitori more now than isiXhosa. It's been I think 2 years ngabhale
Really?
ngesiXhosa. Yeah, Spitori Spitori sathella me bro.
Yeah, yeah. I'm surprised that you tell you.
Yeah, so Spitori is
Oh, I'm not talking of too versatile. If you
so
think
I've
I'm
never
versatile,
actually
you-
that I've never I'm a sucker for languages. Right now I'm trying to learn Isvenda Sasekai because only reunited with my father's side of the family recently. So namanhlanje nomuntu yendaba bari mina so it's angeke ngilale estradeni eSouth Africa. That's one thing I can say.
You'll
I
communicate your
speak
way
like
out.
7 languages out of the how many?
12.
It's 12
With
or my
sign
province I 9.
language.
I still have a long way to go. Ulimi seluqinile kodwa.
Yeah.
It's bad.
Bro, from where you started
Yeah.
with your vision and till this point, I mean, you're saying it's been 15 years looking for this
That feature and
that feature.
this
I'm
year-
assuming there are other things that you've been looking forward to. How's been the journey? Does it get fulfilling or does it get tiring? Because the other thing that so we from Bloemfontein, right?
Yeah.
There are so many friends and acquaintances that I know that gave up, and it was such a pure talent, but they gave up because I would feel like they feel like they're not getting where they are going, and if they are, the whole thing is not, it's not like what they envisioned it was gonna be. So for you, like, what's been the discoveries, the revelation? Are they gratifying, fulfilling, or you just realize you've come a wrong way, even if it's a long way?
I used to think I've come a long way only to find it's a wrong way. But then I acknowledge that after the schooling, because even after school, I still want to be a star. And I would say I was delusional in a way. With the high talent, what you just mentioned. It's not that. It's the business. That's the thing, the business. So I forgave myself because I did everything I was told or I saw. ukuthi you have to do this until you get into certain rooms. And it's not about the talent there. Bro, like this thing it's deep. It goes as far as and like even non music fans now it's out there. Amapayola and everything. It's not the talent. Our music gets there. The radios, our music gets to TV music videos. It's here. And I'm not gonna hide it because it's out there. So some people I would get people saying, maybe I'll push it enough ease. I'm like, dog, do you know where I've been? Do you know the responses, the feedback I've got besides as my email? Because they wouldn't type that, obviously. It's on record. These are my emails like, hi, I hope you're well. Sorry to let you know. Keep on trying submitting. That's what you're gonna get. And it's automated, ne? My
Yeah,
emails
yeah.
because you'll realize last year I sent it to same response. Oh, nina change ne grammar yenu. Kanti what's happening? Go there, go knock, go to the stations, ask for the compiler. Ngeke umbone, whatever. Try to figure your way out. Uyofika lapho. Now I was told there was a song of mine, Peltusi. I released Peltusi before MT. Do you know MT Peltusi?
Yeah, I do.
It's on record. It's online. Even the release dates, everything is there. I lala nje peacefully ngazuthi umuntu mayaqala Peltusi was pushing my song. Even last year, that video resurfaced. But guess what happened with that? The song played on Metro FM. I didn't even submit. Oh no, we did send CDs, but we didn't know which is of Metro FM. People are calling me in the morning. Hey, Mfethu, noma kuthiwani? Leya voice yakhe, le ngoma yakho phela uthi it was out online.
Mm.
Yeah, Glenn Lewis and Onati were playing it. For real? Yeah. Drove. Same time with the guy I was working with. Went to SABC. Fethu, compiler, hey, we heard our song like this. They're like, we don't know. Then this guy is moving the line.
Yeah.
Somebody said, yeah, idlalile, and we saw the CD. They found the CD in the studio. Ukuthi kanjani? Nababazi.
Mm.
Yeah, uGlenn uthi they just found the CD and there's a whole Peltusi thing going on. You know what that guy said? Like, so it's playlisted. Siyabuza, it's playlisted or what? Nah, not really. It was just played by them because they saw it. It's a trend right now. Peltusi, there's another guy who released. I'm like, I released first. MT came after me. Oh, you the guy? Yeah. Okay. Slickers told us about you. Oh, okay. Yeah. Peltusi likes the song. Okay, cool. Is it playlisted? No, my guy. Is it playlisted? No, you'd have to follow up. Bra, Joe. Like, it's Brav and me, Braska. Yeah, bolele. Angiboni lutho mina. Yeah, so kere this guy is saying the one I'm working at. Bolele Braskap. Yeah, bolele.
Yeah.
Mina angiboni lutho isaya.
Oh.
Bra bezila inyembezi. I was like, so this thing, this
Shit.
money is standing between me and my big break right now. It's played.
I see what you mean. my
Yeah,
brother.
so mina it's those things. That's why I was bitter. I was bitter lapho. Went through it, depression. My mom ngalona it 30K. Mama ngizoduma no PR because you are told ding PR, but how do you implement it and how do you execute this whole PR thing? I didn't know. I just knew PR because social media will flood you with information, but they will never flood you with this is how you maneuver. This is how you approach people. PR ma. Got a PR scammed. 30K gone kama olit. Yabona ngonde kanjani? Imagine ukonto ukudlula lo.
Yeah.
I feel my mom. Money gone. So I learned that with okay, it's the business. And the business in Obumafia.
Mm.
Yeah.
What did you think PR was and what did you find out to be?
So PR, I thought PR was giving you this money. These are people you've always had relationships with. They don't charge you or they don't charge you much. But I'm paying for all these years you invested with Lama connections. Otherwise, I'm guaranteed. Because that's what we were always told, come up here. I told PR, I'm fun.
Mm.
But awubheka ukuthi i-credible kangakanani ke yayenza bobani. I didn't look at that. Here's
You
my
need
big
PR
break.
kahle kahle.
Public relations.
Public relations.
Mm.
Spokesperson is Isa
Yeah.
Matthews. They are the thing I show you.
Yeah.
There are
the-
rooms where an artist shouldn't knock at.
Yeah.
Oh,
we can't
yeah.
get
We
in.
can't
Oh, yeah.
get
We can't.
in. There's someone behind you.
There's someone who these people they party, they club.
Mm.
It's like you remember what I said. AKA was at my school. Namamfika and it starts there.
Mm.
If
You are
our
network.
if mangisuke emakhaya when the sound, I was westernized enough because ukumbule I was born in Pretoria, still young, going to Eastern Cape. Xa ndibhadla ndibhadlela emakhaya, andibhadleli ePitori. I would be playing soccer, man. That was my first love. I would be playing soccer. I went for trials with Super Sport back then. Yeah, but life changed. Structure, mama, uyalena siyale. So what happened with that? I never knew. Sikhulele emakhaya mfethu. Asiyazi information. The word networking. I would have networked with AKA
Back then in school.
back then.
Mm.
Ngabe. So these people are people abasuka kuma art schools from primary, high school in bayazana. So this person urenta i-relationship zakhe, this PR person akasuka nazo.
I
Abanye
understand.
it's like, oh, Rockets kwenzeka something like Rockets clubbing and you go there, bamba nali ibhodlela. You know you're investing. That's the game I'm playing right now. Man.
Mhm.
With now I'm like this. I had a song last year that was trending. What's that? Too Short a Rebel. I made a song about the whole Jimashiko thing and I was trending in South Africa last year. Too Short, and I was playing, by the way, rapping on piano. I don't rap on piano. And it boomed. There's a girl Oven when the video out of nowhere trended.
Mm.
About Too Short were approaching her thinking it's her auntie. Oya mima my verse.
Mm.
Do you know what it was that girl's birthday this week? I was like, "Eish, mntwana lo ngambonga nje ngamagama. Ish, I'm still continuing ngale nto music and I'm going to drop an album." And like, okay, think as a business person. You know what? I think it's happy birthday, Bamba Night clip. It's an investment because I'm gonna need her to. I saw what she
Okay.
was capable of.
Okay.
T-shirt Rebiao, una was it 300K followers on TikTok. I'm way too far. It's still 5K.
Yeah.
But this girl made me trend. If I could just, yes, inhliziyo enhle, but also ihlanganise business. Down the line, I'm dropping my singer with iFan. I want it to go viral. Who's the first person? That clipper goes a long way because now she's not gonna charge me lama 2K charge. Even the message, yo, why you send that? No, bonga. I'll never stop thanking you, yeah, bong,
Mm.
for what you did for me last year. When some multiple videos, nginikezanga lutho engingakwazi. Wow, guys, even shared that whole thing. You can tell Utila. So business iba kanjalo. Sometimes Ubuntu, you can turn that into a business transaction. Because it was Ubuntu andibonise bona, nama nimbonise. But also a relationship is born now. I have like everywhere.
I see. So I've understood PR from a business background, which is public relation.
Yeah.
Then. But in business, you can do it by yourself, and it can be done by like your customers, your clients on your
Yeah.
behalf. Telling people about your business, how great it is, and people just catch up with the wave. So I thought maybe in the music space, it's not that. I thought the PR stand for something else,
Oh yeah.
and probably like it's
It has a
an
different
entity.
meaning.
You understand? Yeah.
PR
So
stands for problem rapper.
Yeah.
I hear that.
Yeah,
Yeah. What you got for us, Pigeon?
yeah, yabona hey, that's why namthanda i-background kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ukuba behind the scenes. Mna nje generally nje I know everywhere kwi-shops or what you see there is meant for everyone to see it.
Yeah.
But before that product gets displayed phaya, there's a lot of work, there's a lot of grinding that took place. So I'm fascinated by that. And Umchita, I know some of the stories that ezinye were walking these roads together. Khumbula
Yeah,
Mashita,
in
Infinite
Pretoria.
Boys,
Yeah, Infinite Boys. I
Pretoria
was signed.
nabanye.
Nothing
Yeah.
was ever. I've been signed, I think, 4 times.
Yeah,
To a
but
point that
nothing
now I
with
run my
the-
own label, my own company.
Mm.
So that's what I'm trying to say. Ukuthi, I forgave myself because I didn't know. But now I know better. And now I'm getting the 15 years things being as I'm getting easy. Hey, ayifani ngithe ungiqalela kaloku usejozi ukustream ngo-10 ndikubona kwi-stream. Uyabona ukuthi angeke yo bhuti omdala
Yeah.
hey ayifani inhlonipho. But I know who I am now. Like, bhuti Amzi kanti I'm no longer calling him my fan because that's another thing. It's different with me because I'm Issa Matthews, it's my name and surname. But I still have a way yokuthi you can't say Matthews kanti undazi so. Umuntu ondaziyo nje will stick to Issa. Hey Issa, ezikiphani mfethu? Then if I know you as well, sharp. But if andikwazi kodwa sahlangana in a way engenabo artist phakathi, I can tell by the way you approach me. So even with iFan, the way I got used to him, even singasabonani, it was no longer iFan. I was no longer the kid who bought his first album, Hlanya. I'm more like, hey, Tamzi, ubothetha mfethu xa udinga into eziso ndidesign ama-artwork nami, I'm building leverage. Yabo, that's my leverage. Oh hey, and hey mfethu and ndiyayidinga artwork ntanzi ukudesignela. Goes a long way for free. Ndiyahlanyela. So I never knew that ukuthi some things you're going to do for free. It's a connection, build a relationship. That's what they call networking.
So I renew la 30,000 ngabo ngayispendanga, and yeah. Now
Didn't know.
I hear you, bro. Like, so what fascinates me about your story till this point, it's the resilience. You being resilient. What do you think people are missing out if your vision doesn't become reality? So I'm aware that as people who are driven by probably 2 factors. Maybe the fear that if this doesn't happen, I'm gonna feel bad about myself, or if this thing doesn't happen, maybe someone else tend to lose something, and I wouldn't want that to happen. What do you think? Like, drives you most, like gives you the spirit of resilience that you should continue even despite being scammed,
Yeah.
signed with 4 record labels and nothing happened?
To be honest with me, it's more of the clock is on me now.
Mm.
I wouldn't like my mom to go down without seeing me successful because I'm too confident. And like I even made it ukubona ukuthi you end up outsmarting your mom ukuthi azibonise ke vele ngiyakusapota nje kulento.
Mm.
And then mawuthi there were times where I was like, Mawulethi hayi ndiyayiyeka le nto. Wathi, ye noba ungayifuna lo msebenzi awuyeki le nto uyayithanda. She even bought into it.
Love it.
Like uyayithanda le nto soze udinga ntoni. I'm like, yeah, no, andidingi nto sendimdala ndisafuna uyohlela ungumntana kapha kum.
Mm.
So she even bought into it, then I don't make it. That thing,
I love
it would break me, but in a way, uyazi ke uMachiavelli speech, because siyathetha na ezinye izinto, even my plan B ukuthi if I don't make it for her into so ngifuna umenzela zona with music, I'm trying to do this. So I always talk to him ngento ezinjalo, then he advise hayi yenza kanje, or I know somebody endaweni so, because it might not happen. I'm living the reality of that now ukuthi, and I've accepted ukuthi leave room for disappointment because le nto uyayithanda iyi, and should ifeyile bro, wena siyasaba ukuthi nami I am afraid of myself. I don't know the character yokuvela lapho. So I try by all means ukuthi that thing yokuthi the only thing I want to do be successful ngale nto so my mom can see my successes. Ngizama ukuthi like ngibe nayo yiyo ukuthi Isa, don't be hard on yourself. Otherwise the other stuff, if I don't become a star, it's fine. But if I can build a house for my mom with music, I'm done.
I love it.
I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah, one thing I think this maybe should put you at ease. You are a superstar already, bro. Yeah, but with your wealth of knowledge, with your academy, your academic qualification, and with your experience about those failures and those disappointments and whatnot, those are the things that build the character that you are.
Yeah.
And then it's a matter of a breakthrough. And with his upcoming album, Superstar Material, izovela pa le resilience and whatnot. And again, you are building structures now, which is one of the things I feel there was a huge breakdown between us, this generation, and our fathers, the previous generation. Utatomkhulu might have done something and then things happen and whatnot. But for those who are coming after you, the foundation sekhona. And one thing about this life thing, le dream mhlawumbe uyifunayo and whatnot, maybe timing ingavumi now, but the next generation in your family or anyone from TikTok, just like that lady, abhume ablosome amentorishwe nguwe, uzibone uba hey mna I'm living my dream now through lo muntu
Actually, I'm
loyo.
actually doing that because I have a label, the Creative World. So Creative World Media is my record label. I started 2020, yeah, because the previous one was Nix Mappa, where I had a business partner. We had a fallout in Pretoria then, but the name was everything. Evelyn, I'm your Nix Mappa.
Masimba Chips
Yeah,
senza lento wayenza
you get me.
kudala
So,
siyazi Nix Map.
Now I have like I'm Igum Endlin, it's my label.
Stock Sweet.
So and to check another magam, it shows a consideration with from Nix Mappa, Stock Sweet. Dude, do you really want to go international? Yeah. Then why don't you think global?
Abroad, yeah.
Negama nje. Nix Mappa, when Sway in the morning says, we have Isa Matthews from Nix Mappa. Would you like igama lakho lithweng? Use igama nje eli-universal. Like Creative World. Yabo. So with that, this point akayibeka ye-dream, I learned it from Oskido. Have you noticed ukuthi Oskido is there, but he's not a superstar, but he made a lot of them. We have Pori today because of Oskido, Black Coff Oskido, Tira Oskido, DJ Zinhle Oskido,
Mafikizo.
yo, snap.
The East is
But he's
and
not a megastar. So that's what I'm saying. Ukuthi, I'm trying to balance now. I used to go everything in Lahlele. Isa iba star. Like, what if it's not me? I have this knowledge, all this knowledge for nothing. Start a label because they were teaching you how to run a label. Start a label. Be active. Should uthi nje, God willingly upload, then you got your dream, you're by star. But should ungayenzi loo nto, you can definitely make a star with this knowledge on because you're gonna get somebody who was once like you, knew nothing, and you have that information for them. Bona babazange esikolweni. I draft my own contracts. I know every deal in music, every deal. I know a good deal, I know a bad deal. Yo, like I know I just signed a publishing deal. Now I'm doing library music. Something I would abantu ingoma zabo zingena njani ema-movie dla. Only now I know. Only now I signed the deal. So enye into ukufunda kukhulelwa. Yabo. So ukufunda kukhulelwa. Just signed a publishing deal. I'm going to do library music. My producer Ujigi, he's the one I just signed. Ujigi, like, yo, he's from the farms, and not just farms. La uhlala kuma-farm in South Africa. He's from Mozambique. I signed him. He's under my label, doing everything. Yeah, okay, fit. I'm a passport. I'm learning through doing that. I was doing things in IT. I'm in South Africa. No, okay, yes, I'm register. Oh, some you register a passport. I learned that through Jigi. Jigi is like umntana semafamini so, but now is sound now I was watching Shaka Ilembe, then kautlwa di sound tsela tsa ko morao. And am I not proud ngento ja, dude, you studied me. Because lento le into bengisho ukuthi ithi sound tsela tsa bo Shaka Ilembe bo yena azibize because I don't watch TV, I'm more on digital things. Athi ya ne ke check isono or something una le sound engwe ba ibethile ka re batho ba tswa ko bathini amawa emaweni
caves,
yeah
yeah.
kwi-caves ka utlwa ka re
Echoes
yo,
and
dog.
whatnot.
You studied lento yilento engifuna ukuyisho like kuwe, but I think angibekanga kakuhle, but you understood the assignment. So now I'm doing those things. I'm really tapped into the business side of music because I saw ukuthi yeah, that was the thing that was lacking.
That's
It was
interesting, bro.
lacking.
What does it take to start your own label? Is it record label? Is it can anyone start it? Does it take or what does it take really?
I start here. You just okay, start with the love first because you can't do something you don't love. Because you're gonna babysit it. At the first, angazi how many years of it you won't see anything, income or uzodila like it's just one of those industries ukuthi udila ngabantu, and then these people odila ngabo on top of that they are superstars, bane-ego, bakhokhi banjanja. Yabo, it's like me honoring this podcast as a superstar, like with that mindset yakudala. Me I panic ngoba ngilate kwenzekani, ngiyaphanika updates. But
And I really appreciate that, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you a
nakanjalo.
story about that. Yeah.
Yabo. So you have to have that. Then ke uzithathe ke manje uziposition emuva uthi I'm gonna deal with somebody ofana nami ke manje. Onento yakho ukuthi uyazifila. Have a way ukuthi mfethu iba phansi kanje. No, but ngifuna ukurelease today. Jig was asking me, so kanti release nini Pina Ela since le redistribution? He has every right. I'm an artist, but now to Jiggy, I'm a label executive. So I must forget. Ngathi, yeah, Jiggy happily na tshwantse ke release. And it's like, dude, it was about me. Why yenza nga? I have to count my words. So it starts there. Ukuthi, can you manage people? I'm not a good manager in terms of managing an artist.
I'm with you.
I'm just a label owner. I also need management as an artist. But talent have an A&R ear, a scout ear, because hey, if you can start a label, but if awuna ndlebe egudi, ama-returns wakho ngeke wabone investment, because some people are not talented. Let's just be honest. I'm tempted to mention them. But some people I'm controversial, by the way.
I
I'm very
I heard you
controversial.
from the moment we started.
I'm very controversial.
Yeah.
No, andoyiki mna. So that's the thing. See. Yeah, you need to have it here. You need to have the love of music. You need to have the talent or the skill of hearing something good, something that can this mic, how do you sell the, how can I sell this mic? When you listen to it, it's not about the relatability, because abanye abantu, they always sign abantu related. The other people, yes, you relate. Abanye, do they relate the average South African? You see, so you need to have a good ear and uthando lo music. People are not owning labels, and they're just investors ngemali. They own a label at the end, so you need that.
And Makaville, I want to get to you, right?
Would
Bro,
you?
I know, like, I'm being so selfish with this, episode. But if there's a person that understands more of the important question on this conversation, I think it's Machiavelli for his radio background.
Yeah.
And like you can cover the questions you have, but I have this question to start with for you. What are some of the mistakes that you see or you would see, like these upcoming artists coming to the radio station do? What is it that you realize that would probably hold them back?
They're failing with basic things, man. How to submit your music. Isa has mentioned something, yabona ukuthi, okay, there's this Payola thing, satanic thing, yabo.
And then you from radio. Yeah, thank you.
You know what I mean?
So tell me, is it true or not? The Payola.
It's an open secret, my brother.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an open
Hey, he
secret.
was good at that open secret.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baningi abantu abaqoshiwe. We all know.
yeah.
Kuzo zonke SABC radio stations, we all know. Na kwezezi provincial radio stations and things like
Let's
that.
explain.
Oh,
Right,
that's
so
that's
Finzo. Recently, it's Finzo, the
It's
public,
a public
one. Yeah.
knowledge. Yeah.
Ipayola, like, what is it? Is it putting someone on or what?
No, paying to be
Bribe.
put on. A bribe.
Bribe, cold drink.
A cold drink, yes, a radio.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
On the roads, we call it cold drink.
Mm.
On radio and TV, we call it payola.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Pay for your songs to be on the playlist.
I see.
That's not supposed to be happening. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Isa with the background and knowledge and whatnot, the right way to do it is to submit your music. How submit your music? You email it to every radio station, every TV station, every production house in a department. Your composers, they would sit and stay, but compile the different genres. Okay, this station we run with this type of music. And then we run with this month, we're going for love or theme, and then they would sit down. There's also an archive, a library, your music. They would go there, but, and then kuhlalwe phansi. So in order for your music to be in that library, you submit it via the music department. When you submit that thing, you must make sure you cover corner. It's registered with CIPRO, no SAMRO, which is
ISRC from ERISA.
RISA, yeah. If you know CDs, LPs,
I would see those.
Yeah.
exactly. It's registered there in a number, just like CIPC.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
true.
album or a single in a number.
So that
Then
tracks your
For a
royalties.
book is
It tracks-
ISBN.
Exactly, for
Ne.
books is ISBN,
Mm.
exactly.
Yeah.
Those are the background things that one needs to do. And
Mm.
you might be talented and do your things be sharp, but if they are not registered kakuhle, you lose. Yeah, but because you didn't do the legalities kakuhle. So that's what I like about music. So yeah, people who do that, ube ne product yakho nansi, it's complete, cover, registered and whatnot. But now it's supposed to reach the masses. And the way I love art and music and artistry and whatnot, uyakwazi ukudla several times with just one product. With one, uyabona Lion King,
Yeah.
la
Level
track,
M. Yeah.
Level M,
Mhm.
just that one track. It's bad music for Lion King and
Yeah.
whatnot. Just one hit, bra, uyakwazi uphuma endlaleni with one hit, ube one hit wonder. Umzekelo uZahara, uloliwe. After that, if things were right okanye were done right okanye met with yabona people with good intentions, uZahara fanba was sorted for life. There are people who are sorted for life with just one
One
hit.
song. Yeah.
Merry Christmas, Mariah Carey. Every festive season,
every
ufumane royalties zalo.
December,
Mm.
whole asibale nje December futhi.
December
Because
mm.
nama Christmas trees
I-
aqala
i-
ukusetwa
jingles
early,
and
so
whatnot.
it plays.
Uyadla
So
uMariah.
that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
That's what I'm tapped into right now.
Oh,
Yeah.
Library music. I want my music on Netflix. So it's more of, why don't you see Kulichan right now?
Exactly.
But whenever he
Mm.
comes back, that guy still buys on a label, buys a Austin Martin. Kanjani?
Mm.
He still has Absolute as he's a brand ambassador. Yeah, Absolute. Why would Absolute, a big vodka brand, still be with? He's still relevant in certain rooms.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
So it's that thing. That's what I'm trying to do now. And I think with me, it's better late than never.
Yeah.
Because I think
Yeah.
I'm old enough now to be emva. Yeah,
at the
but
back.
as much as I can, like a black coffee, ayikukelwa lento.
Mm.
It's funny ukuthi kwi-hip hop banalento, so and so must retire, but u-Oskid usekhona. Kodwa u-Oskid udla ngani? Ngama-constructions. Because that's another thing musicians ezingayibheki. You go into this thing, uyithanda. We all start there.
Mhm.
And then masowuphakathi, I don't know ukuthi bane-reminded or what, ukuthi bangafundi ukuthi now it's a business. Oh, I thought nje ngivele eTV. I used to write for uZola 70 ufuna uvele eTV. Zaniphendula. Yabo. But right now sengiyayibona laa nto ngifuna ukuthi, oh no, it's broader than that. And neku-age engikuyo, now I have to make this thing make money for me so that I can, okay, let's say inginikeze udumo, fame, so that I can use my likeness in certain rooms. Then I can get into a construction and plus he's going to bring a lot of traffic. He's that guy, the artist. I'm going into a logistics construction with all this influence here. So it's something I learned. Hey, who's this guy? Prince KB. Prince KB is from Blom, ne?
Mm.
Yeah. Le,
Simshiye lapha.
Suge Blom,
Yeah.
wathi, I'm going to take whatever deal. I want these people to use me bangifake endaweni. While bengifaka bengplug, I'm going to sign this 360 deal, the most bad deal in music. But by the time iphela i-10 I would have made a connection, because now I can't get into these rooms. I have to sacrifice a certain portion of me for ukuthi ngene. He started his businesses. Ngaleyo nto bemhleka wathi, wena only the masters, but you own yours. Can you exploit your masters? Do you know how to maneuver with them? You can't. So what's the point of owning 100% of nothing?
What is masters, bro? When you say someone own masters, what do you own? How does it come about?
So there's publishing and there's master. So with master is okay. Kufika uPhori now.
Yeah.
Phori made this whole thing.
In the
and,
public,
so
the way, yeah.
me coming here as I'm stepping, I want to use this
Mm.
as you own my voice. You own it. I get here, ofara drink, ofara in. That thing is recouped as in music. That cold drink unesleepers about sales and whatnot. Because they know we're gonna come back to some super drama. Yeah. So master is like this. Me stepping in here, you coming up with this session food, especially. Okay, Mfethu, I'd like to work with you. Can you come to my studio? Ganje? You can even send me the beat, maybe. Oh, mama, I like that. Can you do it at my studio? Cool. You know in your mind, Guti, the reason you want it at your studio, one, you want to own the master. Two, awufuna ube usogola. You can even like bathini konje insist ukuthi you can even bring your guy or comfortable now as a producer. You just want it. You also a producer, but you just want it here. That voice, you own it. The only dispute akangaba nayo ukuthi azange wavuma ukuthi we release.
Prior.
You get it prior. Azange wavuma, then yeah. But if that person signed the split sheets, everything, you cleared it. You gave it away. You just had some fallout. No, but that no, dog. Okay, we understand you. That person spent for you the land, requested and did it. So you think his money must just go to waste because of your feelings? No, you see, go to our own anja. It's in your vicinity, in your studio. But you can also own masters in a way with Ati. I think I mentioned the album now because I said in silent.
Against you, yeah.
Ati Casper.
Mie kuke.
Ati Casper. Oh, you want a song with me? He knows his leverage. Yeah. I like the song and I feel like Izo boom. So check. Casper phela cishe ngabize enye into
Yey.
clean kangaka kule podcast engazange ube
Bro, I want to tell you now,
Yeah.
go crazy. Don't
no
worry.
I can't, you are
Just
I wanna curse.
yeah, get your message
Yeah.
across without yeah.
I don't want you to hold back.
He's a effing Casper. I'm an
It-
effing Isanje. Casper has the leverage. Okay, I love the songs. Okay, I won't charge you a fee because it has potential, but I want 50% of that song. A master plus 50% of publishing. Now I have to split my 50 because I'm gonna sacrifice my 50. I'll eat another 50 sengenile ngizongena ngale ngoma Casper. Then I'm like, hey, producer yam, sine 50 sele iyi-1 year ku-Casper. And guess what? Casper shouldn't be getting that as a songwriter, as an author, because the 50% goes to the person who created the music. And what's the music? It's the beat, and that's the producer. But naye, in certain instances, like I'm saying with enjoy am jiggy, siyangena phela ngo-Casper. This 50 yakho ngeke uyithole. Because if I give it to you when uthole 50 u-Casper, I'm the one naloko. Understand, you make them understand. Hence, they always say, I'm a contractor. And there's a different contract based on how you negotiate. You don't get what you deserve, you get what you negotiate. So that's how it works. Ukuthi ama masters can be owned in different ways. But the easiest and straightforward way, once I step into your studio and stand in front of your mic, you own that. You own that. If you financed the session, it's not your studio. You brought me to Abo Makavelo with okay, nasi studio ngisibookhile. You booked. You own that. I just come when ulapha esofeni upress phone awuhlala phambi kwe-PC as
Record and press record, yeah.
You are an executive producer
Producer.
because you made
That
sure
was
ukuthi
gonna
this
be
thing-
my
That's how you own masters.
That's
And then there's
interesting.
publishing. Publishing now is what goes to everybody who created this composition. You can own publishing as well if you run your company as a publisher as well. But the people who created this whole composition, they deserve the publishing fees. I mean, royalties because they created this music. Yabo. So that's how you own masters and that's how you own publishing, basically.
Amazing. You wanna go?
Crazy.
Sujan?
I told you.
Hey, did I over-explain that one? Yeah.
I told you. It's a music genius, this one.
People in Bloemfontein are getting educated, I think, as well. Because that side, like you're not at this level. And one of the things that surprised me is that you are this side and you're still trying hard. Imagine for someone who's in Bloemfontein. So and we've heard a lot about these artists that get into fame and they omit this information. They don't know anything about it because you know
MT.
they just think like
Empty
Empty.
by empty.
hey, my dad. So they just get into fame and they think that's all they want and there's nothing else that they can get from it.
Yeah, and one thing I like about this podcast again, we get to share this information and some of the things are being explained up. Khumbula ubuhle had an interview noMacG explaining the same thing. Wabuza the same question ukuthi wenzeni lo muntu mina ngibone nje sokuthiwa bani featuring Buhle inakenzanga
Who
nini.
initiated the session? Casper.
Yabo.
Who spent for the session? Casper.
lo ngoma, yeah. And then people who don't know.
I went
Dashen
to Casper ndiye shop ndiyothenga ukutya and you happened to finish the song, but you came here to my studio. I invited you. even this is how it even goes. Kahle kahle. These kids are getting schooled today.
Yeah, school them, school them. You're an
So
OG, by the way.
this is how it happened, guys. Ne? If you invite me to studio, unless I say, mfethu ngithanda sound yakho so, and I'd like you to use your comfort and everything, just let me know. Like how I created my album, didn't create it in my studio. I created it Epitor because the guys bebe good curator this sound that I wanted, and I wanted them to direct my music with this project because it's conceptual. Base Epitor. So these guys are like, guys, let's have an understanding. I'm gonna come to your studios, said it nje, and then I'm gonna finance. I'm gonna make sure transport yabantu ngibafisharayo ngiyabaletha. Uyabona? What else? Your facilities, your equipment, your resources. You'll tell me if you charging me for that. If not, it's Rebecca's brass up because Arna Zagara hola kaofela. I promise and guarantee you, refreshments, food in, it's on me. I just need you guys with your resources and your skills. Ask our I'm fit, but I own the masters. Yeah, get a how. Damn.
That was in
Yeah,
writing.
but that's the thing. Right now, I missed it lab because I was supposed to even record. But like,
Yeah, I voice note
yeah,
now.
but
It's an agreement.
but
and
things are going well because whenever song done, this one is done. Ne? Ke mang ke north ke nto kanje ke mama or nwabis okay sharp. We done ngale ngoma. I'm happy by sendile by mixed by master sharp. Send split sheet. Basine, okay, then it's sorted.
who did what? And
Who did what?
Yeah.
I write the percentages, and with me, by the way, what I did, I made everything equal. I didn't go ngalento yokuthi i-producer ithola 50, i-artist
Vocalist,
is
25,
zizoshare.
25.
I'm gonna feature a lot of artists. I want different flavors on a song. Come on. So manje, for the sake of ukuthi ngibe ne-50, I'm gonna be alone in the whole album. You can't, because features help you tap into other people's markets. Yabona? So now, if I'm gonna think, yo, Unorth is doing this whole project, 12 tracks. He's getting above 50 by 12, and I'm nangihamba ngishare ama-percentage nabanye abantu depending on how many people I have. Baba ne-understanding ukuthi, guys, I'm already spending for these sessions. Computer crash ne-album yami, I lost money. You guys will always have talent and skill. Let's just be fair. And resahola le lona le tlo ntlhoka someone. And once ke re 50, I'm going to be a bad person. A re holeng should re kene ka e re sharang equally. O mong le mong o tla kgona hore a e hodise, and then re thegane hape. Wa bona hore zwakala mfethu sa lo nthusa so. So that was the understanding, and I can see through the split sheets abansokolisi. They are all signed. They're all signed. So yeah, it's more of into enjalo understanding from the beginning, because you can own masters without making beats. You can own masters by having money. Hosi owns masters, or ambitious, but he's in politics because he has the money to start a label. So you can own ama masters and everything, but also it's useless to own 100% of nothing. Own them and know how to exploit them. Do you know where to go with these masters? If you don't know, what's the point?
Yeah, which is what's nice about knowing.
And then
music business.
Utla una di masters bjang o tsuba patjaka. Matekwanaka. Ow, my guy, you got me sold now. You're owning Nando Siak, and that's actually the reason Upori got so much backlash, because these, I'm talking about since the existence of music. Okay, no, not the existence of music, but from the 60s, music business was never designed to benefit an artist. You just find your way to eat while they're sleeping. So this is how it was structured. Yeah,
You're going deep.
hence I'm saying you don't
Yeah, oh, Brenda Fassie,
you don't
suffer the fate.
you don't get what you deserve. You get what you negotiate, and also using your leverage. Kids today don't want to build leverage. Like lento bakayicho yabona uze wathi when artists bezosubmit ingoma zabo, you shouldn't even submit for yourself at some point. But also with that, you can't have a manager when you don't have nothing to manage. Yabona, you're gonna start with your own packet, dude. Somebody's gonna see you. Mina 2 to 3 people saw me on mana ke rata and how deserve uba perform stadium at Atteridgeville. When I deserve ukuba lena so Now that person uzoba wholeheartedly because uzilethile asivolunteer uzonmanage. But if I'm going to go to my uncle malume kanje, ngesikhathi sakhe makekhona mayengekho because ndicelile, you see. So kumele uzi-attract-e lezi zinto lezi. Ejo singakwenzela i-PR sishaja so kodwa like now I featured iPhone. I wrote, yo, finally got the feature on iPhone. A guy was like, mfethu ngawushutela that video ya le iPhone. How ka patela nje fela umphe nje ya transport o le team yaka etle then ngawushutela. Ubonani? U-iPhone.
Really?
And it
Yeah.
didn't that work for me to get a video?
I understand.
Exactly, the
Yeah.
leverage. So that's how it is because I'm fair to these kids today, they think they'll never be older. You see what I realize I'm pilento and I'm trying to give them information with it. Don't realize it lancon. I'm working and now I'm also doing music. You can still do it while abazali bethi yenze iplay to safiki khona endlini ungaziphandeli. Yenze in the right way. Don't be ignorant or you OGs because basibiza kanjalo. I'm an OG actually now. Hey, 20 years in the 2
Yeah.
decades.
Bro,
I'm an OG. Ngigrot now.
sounds amazing. Yo, I want us to talk about your album and
Yeah.
wrapping up.
Superstar material.
Let's talk about your album. What do you have for us there?
Hits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the name of the album?
Superstar material. Yeah, hip hop or igqom kanye
Oh,
Superstar
it's
Material. What
amapiano,
inspired that?
just
Yeah.
good
inspired
music.
that. My long what dream, it in my childhood dream.
Yeah.
The album cover, I'm going to show you. I haven't revealed it online. I'm going to show you guys ukuthi maybe you understand. Like I've always, my tagline is ke mfana Pitori, mfana Pirara, mfana Piriska tse dintšhe ke maaka se solo ke zaga sale diamond wa checking ya dichipo tsa schipile utlwele bo mahu ba re hawe ma the boy is cooking. I'm a superstar material. I belong on
Amazing.
magazine covers. And once again, I say arrogance. Get or. So that's how it is. Antalon.
Hey,
So
still can you switch that thing? The thing beat la. Switch that thing.
get
On
me.
his way out, he can
So
put us
It's a
something.
record.
Yeah.
See,
No, bro,
release
I'm
a
serious.
before,
Switch it
yeah.
on. We're gonna need a beat from it.
Ah,
You know that?
nice.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
get me. So yeah, that's what inspired my album. Like
We're gonna be flagged, man.
Uguti,
Of-
I've always believed that I belong in magazine covers. I'm a star. Dress code. I check all these boxes. Is Hambisane talent, by the way. Not the ones that I learned in with business. Yeah, bribe, yeah, tintin. Just the star thing. I mastered it. And I was like should it fail? I was like, I'm at a point where anytime this project is the project engizothi this is my first debut like solo official studio project. I've done mixtapes and what safund. So this one I was like, let me do it in a way yokuthi should it end ngithi angisayenzi everything bengisho ukuba yiyo included even the way ngifuna ukuba yi-star ngakhona lyrics like I said ngifunde ku-AKA because he was a superstar.
Yeah, lyricist.
Yabona? So that's I even changed my dress code. Yabona lama voops one no sengifaka zona no because I want to feel, and that's another thing when you work on an album. You must be in the zone yayo in everything you do. Dress code. I'm even calling now. Yo, what's the code? What's the code? You veme man? We out here.
Yeah.
So that namang nabo is studio. I
Adapt.
adapt. Ungabi preach too much. Ba lecture. Because these kids they're moving differently, and I'm learning those things through bona the streaming thing. I'm not from there, so I will mix it, man. So, I'm learning those things. So the album is more of that. Hence, it in an album cover. It's a magazine themed cover. I designed it myself because I belong on magazine covers. So I was like, everything I'm gonna do is gonna be commercially viable, easy on the ear, easy on the on the tongue,
On the
the sing
tongue.
along. So hence when you said what could we expect hits? There's message, but the same way being shown, aka message got to be movie clapping. So yeah, it's well structured.
How did you work with iFunny? Did you guys like send each other like or you were in the studio with
I sent him stuff because he was at some hotel, hence meeting in Bone, we stream, then abona his status later also that got to Lapechos. I know that place. It was somewhere here in Center. Yeah, you can send through the song. I
The
like
beat.
the beat. I was like, ish, the sound I'm working on, because I was holding that feature no iPhone
Mm.
yabona for a certain project because the project engisipane kuyo it's quite good,
Yeah.
just me rapping on good.
Mm.
Yeah, it's that. It's quite sound, but I'm rapping lyrically, but I'm making it as simple as possible that the average person can hear.
Mm.
Like Shapa Kona Kick Joy Yamal Ikora, who doesn't know Lamine Yamal? It's simpler things, Jama punchline examples are called.
Mm.
So it's in enjalo. And then with iPhone, I was like, ish, Kuluan Konva, Lama beat la when was hip hop. Akawusende mandiva, I sent 3 songs. Like, kodwa ndingakuthanda kule. That guy didn't choose that one. He chose another one. Singing no A Dot, and no Jiggy, my producer. Like, we have one family. Amin is my younger brother, my business partner. Like, yo, I found fagi verse kule ngoma. Oh, machita wami zoko. Nah. And they killed it. It's nice layup. And S3, I heard Untoganja, I heard Unwabisa. I didn't like their verses. I'm like, I know you too, Jiggy and A Dot, you're gonna understand that. And I'm fit. Abasendela a studio, like my studio, because I moved it to my brother's place, a studio. So I was like, Ksasa and Zoza. And I see you going in. 3 days later, yo, they killed it. They killed it. I was like, even North, who produced it, when I said I'm gonna take out Ntoganje no Abisa, they didn't do much like justice. I'm fair to my sent okay, no, I'm fair to understand. And then I finally chooses the same song. Now it's the 3rd time the song's gonna but I was like, nah, I'm not this is my family. So we made it Suguma featuring Ifani and Suguma 2.0 featuring Jiggy Prince and 8 Dot Vibes. So they both on the project. Because I couldn't take them out.
Mm.
Yeah, no, I couldn't.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, which is the hard part about this art thing, Fit. Yeah, you can do a project or a project uyenze uthi yabona this one yiyo le. When you're trying to put it out there, people don't feel it.
Yeah, and
The
now
one-
that's what I'm afraid of now.
Yeah, the one you don't feel it.
That's what I'm
hit and
afraid
whatnot.
of now.
But do you have
Ili-
any spiritual connection with music? Sorry, but
Spiritual how maybe?
like when you say you don't feel it,
Okay.
it's like I get it. There are other artists like Ukabza, also my songs like are actually spiritual
Yeah.
songs. Maybe sometime you can know this is a hit, and some other artists they come, they're like, I knew this was a hit
Yeah.
because I could feel it in me.
Yeah.
So I'm asking, like, do you have any spiritual resonance?
I do, and mostly it happens with beats. I can tell you, and Usang said that there's a song we did last week. No, it is Zonke, the last song that's gonna be on my project. It
Mm.
wasn't supposed to be on my project. I told that guy who sent the beat, who sent a jama open verses with the chorus. Hey monate, this thing abzadinsa. Ya ne ke re nyaka fela o utlwelle. Ke re me bra, ako botsisi, ako khopele,
Ke a o
ka o
tjhaela.
child. This is my song. Taking this song.
Mm.
Taking it. No, this is gonna make me, bro. Please, I want this song. It's gonna make me obatlang. I don't even have the money. Mang to batlang. To put the mention again. It might not even be money.
Yeah.
On rekele ntlo. That's how. I was like,
I love it.
"Ah, ho na le
Energy.
majita." Then I was like, okay. What I just proposed Guye after, it's something I thought of before I record ukuthi it's gonna be hard ukuthi lo mjita nginike. Why eyifilile angisendele ukuthi ufuna opinion yami. Mangathi good, eyakhe. Mangathi bad, still eyakhe.
Mm.
I like,
And you can't say bad kodwa
And I-
ifuna.
you get me? So I
Yeah.
was like, okay, Kokomo. Abza kutla di open verse Joe. Kuyakena mo akuthi send kuyakena ngisayitsike manje. Kuyakena. Because I want to be part of the song. Be yabona close to this person. Ayikavumi phela, I still have room ukuthi I can negotiate it. Okay, sure mfethu. Yeah, you can take maybe one verse. Nona limajita manginesenzani ke vele silibona kuMpumalanga ba record baku studio right now. Mfethu mina ngisendlini. Baku studio right now. Jiggy is at the studio ukhona for library music. 8 Dot ukhona. I like angiplananga ngihlele ngizibhemele oka pipe. I was like, I'm going to studio now. Oh, this guy ngisasehlele endlini. Onsended, mfethu bathu ba divesta bona ba dibethile kize. bashaya isikwati yo azimnandi ivese ngihlele endlini ngathi mfethu ngazenze ngathi into enkulu ngathi ireke zame ebooka studio session somewhere, you get me
Yeah,
with
yeah.
i-efforts abone i-efforts engizifakayo for this song on the spot. Yeah, athi okay mfethu ya ukaya he then re tla bona yabona ukuthi usekulama-jita ayarekhod. I'm not gonna be on the song unless ngimsendela yo bo-serious and ibe nswembu. Do you know with those songs, those guys in music, we have bars, right? 4 bars, 8 bars. So those verses, those 2 verses on the Zonke song are 16 bars. Those guys were supposed to be on the last 16 bars. And bashare Rama 8-8. And then I'm hitting a whole 16 on the first verse. I think I was like, mfana ya, wainyaka pineka netu. We were like, magayisenda, nta ngiyabonga, uthola ama-vocal ami. Like I recorded 3 hours because siya-edita senze nge-studio. But that day, it happened on that day. Not less than 24 hours, it happened, that song. Less than a day because it wasn't a complete day. So kungawu-11, then I studio ngawuma-12. Sent it. Yo, mfana uyibulali. Oh, makasend i-final. For some reason ndiyaphaphama ebusuku because he said he's done and ngipressurize ngasestudio. I'm done ngevesi zalamajita. Ifethi eyakho iza nini? Ngiphambi kwemic kanje. Chiki record nje. No, Joe sapanic re tlo fumble. Okay, sharp. Uko-studio ngathi musendela. Akasenzi ayi-release dimani. Akere wa itshepa le vesi yago even if aka kenya motho o mongwe. It's either wa extenda pino or ra tlosena o kense. Yeah. Sizosend. Recorded. Email, that's another thing. Amajita ngayenza lento anestudio. Invest in these things Wi-Fi, guys. Wi-Fi. Because you record now, you'll be like, export, send now. It's convenient, guys. This thing ukuthi uzoya, who still goes to internet cafe? I'm not bashing business yabo ne, but it delays. Imagine me telling Ifan ngisa internet cafe or ngifike so late kuvaliwe. I'm losing a spot. Invest, like amanye amajita asebenza as a collective. You can lama Wi-Fi over Rain and whatnot. You can Rain, I'm selling you. You can Gazat nje. Yangithola. Then send. That's what we did. Abza, Ash. My verse was the last verse. It's like I'm mfethu ngithomela ka demands. Haba ka utlwa verse yao batho ba tlo repeat. Then I was like, yeah, I ke ratile pine. Nka ba le yona mo album yaka e tlo ba single ya rona kaofela because he even said angin feature eyethu sonke. Then we share equally, even send the split sheets and everything. I'm like, just do all your splits mfethu ngicela nje into eyi-one. It's not going to be a single boom because I have my singles. This fits on my album. I'm working on the sound. I think that's why we're doing opinion now. I'm first yo, like, okay, that was the final song of the project, which was not supposed to be on my project.
Yeah.
But I proved it in effort and uti. Fit, I'm going to studio, but I'm
I
going.
can't wait to hear that song.
Yeah, then I have Lolly Native as well on the album. Oh,
It's a big
Tashlan is
deal
delaying
nayo
me no
Lolly.
Flesh Kumkani bang delay, so I'm like, guys.
Project 2 is coming. baba.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a
yes.
deluxe. I'm gonna have
Yeah.
a deluxe. Probably this one is Obiza Banyaband, and I'm gonna finally have a quest. Because that's my dream.
Yeah.
And in Dangam, by then I'm but
Yeah, that dream will
Yeah.
come true. Buddha.
Ukwesta.
yeah, like we same age in Jezinyanga. He's October, and I'm July.
Bro, love your energy. Very humble guy. You don't come across this more frequently, especially in people around space. So when I was telling you,
Especially superstars.
you know what I mean? You know?
Superstars are arrogant.
My boy, I'm gonna
Yeah.
give you, especially around superstar.
Yeah.
So there's a guy who was supposed to shoot tomorrow. I don't know if I told you
You
about
did tell me.
the guy who asked for 7,000. Did I tell you?
Bible. No, you didn't mention that part.
Uyaphambana lo mchita, yes. He's just like a TikTok cooking guy.
Okay.
Yeah, like he's like, you gotta talk to my manager and all that. I charge 7,000 for these studio sessions, and bro, he's got nothing
Of
tangible.
value.
A friend actually gave me his number. Is like, touch this guy. So I thought they had spoken. You know,
Yeah,
so when
put in a word for
yeah,
you, break the
I
ice,
thought
send
I
to you.
thought that was the
Yeah.
case. So when I text him, yeah, he asked me for that money, and he even asked me for imali a haircut. It's like my logistics will need a haircut.
A rider. I-right ne-haircut.
I-rider yokupheka kanti ihamba ne-haircut yayibona i-rider yokupheka hayi hayi
This is-
hayi
hey,
this on
hey,
another level
hey,
hayi it's on
hey.
another code that
Yeah.
one.
And I'm a barber because in my mind I
Yeah,
was like,
I even heard that because I actually checked episode is it 2. I was like, hey, 2 hours ngithi ayengeke. When I heard that, I picked that up ukuthi nayo idibene naye
e-barber shop
salon yakho.
yakhe, yeah.
And there was this other lady as well. Oh, that's dope. That's
Yeah.
dope. And because I saw that lady and bendive ngathi uthi incwadi yakhe ihleli da.
Oh,
So now oh promoting maybe nispana nonke.
Oh,
But mawuthi yakho
yeah.
I'm like, wow.
she's the editor.
She
Okay.
edited the book.
Oh, for
She's-
real?
Yeah, she's talking about Tuna Lady.
Yeah.
Oh no wonder ibambe ngothando kangaka because even iyamfanele.
Yo,
Like,
what
yeah.
time are we rolling there?
Oh, yeah, 1 hour, 19
Yeah.
minutes.
1 hour 19?
Mm.
Look, man, I just had fun with this.
Yeah.
Spiritual, why did you tell me about this guy? We're supposed to, bro,
I
like,
thought you were gonna pull a Vusi Tembekwayo on me. You're not that smart.
bro, when is your album dropping?
I'm not sure yet with the
Get final.
date, but it's
Yeah.
dropping this year because I can
I'm
see
looking
there's
forward to it.
split sheets and everything into this.
The legalities.
The legalities,
behind it,
publishing,
yeah.
submit, approval, and whatnot. Yeah, but it's dropping this year. The first single should have dropped, hence in Sabuti Nini.
Yeah.
The single was supposed to drop end of Feb last year, actually. But then I just had this viral moment with Tushota Rebia, which was a piano song, but I'm rapping. So it's different from the Makasana song that I was supposed to release as a single. So it was going to disturb, confuse our band. I was like, if I'm trending by September, October still, I'm still trending. I can't waste my song for November because December nobody's focusing on emerging artists. I hate saying okay for ubas established. What's the opposite of ungabe established?
Bubbling under.
Bubbling under.
Yeah.
I'd rather be bubbling under than upcoming. I'm not. I'm 20 years in this. I can't be
Yeah.
bubbling. I can't be upcoming. So yeah. I thought what December can release. It's the big guns now.
Yeah, we're going with
Yeah,
the
but
bangers.
People
with
don't
this,
care about me. They want Pirimaru. So I was like, let me save my song. I waste it and die out having a hype at December. My release January. December. January. So I my last year. Dude, it was a few weeks ago. You see, attention span yabantu ngenye indlela. So yeah, it was supposed to drop in January, didn't. End of Feb, got a deal here, distribution didn't. Now I'm working on that. It changed. It's gonna be the iFunny song, Ichinjai, because I wasn't expecting it. It's gonna be the first thing. Now I have to plan in a different way for that one. No more Makasan. So the first single is gonna drop before June. In June, I'm dropping probably the second single. Hopefully, if I drop next month, the first single. Then my sound is more summer. August, September. Definitely the album. Yeah, August.
Bro, I wish you all the best with that. Any last remarks, speech of Machiavelli?
Benhalela summarize nje le music business flow chart.
So WhatsApp yami le flow chart yakhona.
Nje one word
Yeah.
nje siyivale yabona. Now you didn't anticipate we'll go this long, ne?
Yeah, no, I'm actually enjoying. This song can't enjoy.
Bro,
Yeah,
I
we
love,
also
I
enjoy.
love it for
Because
And I was
how
like-
it started yabona, abo AK, and then you
Yeah.
got me into my pocket of the business. Let's go.
That
Yeah. So I love how it started. I love how it started.
yeah.
So yeah, that whole thing nje ndibe mfutshane. Fethu, it's talent, it's knowledge, it's business and execution. That's how I can put it in 4 ways, because I always had this one talent. I always had the knowledge, but I didn't have the execution. Okay, not always. After school, I had the knowledge, but the execution, even selifundele. Abantu abangayelanga esikoleni bebengishaye, because execution is not always about the book. Ushiyana strata. That's what Pitori taught me. Kuzo zonke
Yeah.
la engihleli kuzo. Kwalwelwa da. Yabona Pitori iJozi fast ne? Yes, fast because it's the apple, it's New York of South Africa. The dreams are here and everything. But Joe, sibuza ukuthi why fraud kangaka ePitori. I'm not saying I'm doing fraud, guys. Hey.
Guys, like, when
Strata,
get
kubethelela limi, shaya. even umuntu mfethu, just give me the number or the email address. I know how to sell myself. I know because ngifunde ePitori. Yeah, basically ndingabanga mde kuleyo nto. That's my chart of music.
Yeah, just to sum
And-
it up ke
yeah.
lo chart leyo now isummarizile and what not. At the top ne kukho artist, and then below artist kukho management. Management kukho record label, kukho A&R, there's promotion, then kukho press, kukho marketing, kukho distributor, then kukho retail or marketplace.
And by
Under
the way, zonke ezo zinto ezo uzimentionile, they
Yeah.
all have a piece from the artist pie.
exactly.
Yeah.
Besides,
Ex-
abanye you can pay this for their services like PR upfront. But
Yeah.
if out now and they believe in that song, they're like, okay, we can do this for you, but
a percentage.
Buyelwa kuSamro sifake. You will be written as a composer because that's the only way I can give you a money, because
Azongenanga.
Samro deals with composers and authors. So everybody gets a piece from that artist. So before Bailiando, like it's crazy how the industry esikuyo or the career is the one enabantu aba show offer too much, but they are the ones aba stripper naked more.
Oh,
crazy?
yeah.
It's crazy. Ukuthi,
Mm.
how do you show off ufuna ukuba nama-Gucci and everybody's getting a piece of you?
Yeah.
How do you spend on Gucci when everybody gets a cut? And these people abana pressure, they have no spotlight. Kubo. They behind the scenes.
Underground.
When you have to go to clubs and wear Gucci, because Kabza is wearing Gucci, and you have hits this year. Like Sam Deep right now. Sam Deep is here. He's always been, eh? But when he did Shella, okay, he had others, but Shella just knocked it out the park. Now, if Benga Koma Gucci, he has to. Unless he doesn't have to, Namang. Unless in fact you've mastered it, like who?
Kelvin Momo. Maybe Gucci but you
Akazi
afford
ngcebeza,
it,
uyayi-afford,
but
yeah.
akekho
But
da.
leyo nto leyo kufuneka kube yinto oyibonise ungekabi da. Because now you can't wear Gucci houseboy, then kasawupopa
Yeah,
ungasayinxibi,
ungasayinxibi.
uzoya worse. So it's how you introduce yourself, your entry nje ukuthi uthini. Like me, uyandazi phela, you'll never see me. Not today, I deciding to wear this t-shirt, I was like, I want something different ngingaveli ngayo, because I design my own stuff. Plus ngeCanva manje ngenza kakhulu. If bendaze kwa early, I was going to print a t-shirt with my new logos and
Yeah,
what.
promoting.
I always wear myself because akayifunde high school leyo
always
nto.
wear
And
myself.
bengahlelekanga ke high school. At least I was getting what I was getting. But you could see kwabanye abantu ukuthi, I mean, primary, that thing bathi sasithi Jewish. Nge-Friday uze ne-
Private.
Yeah.
Civics.
Uyazi ukuthi uniform yasiquma sonke. But should umntana anxibe kuthiwe khitshwa ama-5 rand, omnye seke yagula. Ayikho ekhaya i-5 rand. So that's what I took from Leandro and I used it game ukuthi, you know what? I have this superstar thing and all, but I must accept where I am. Ngisahamba nge-taxi ngisenza in. I can't be wearing a Gucci ne. My mom could buy me a Gucci. I wanted a Louis V bag. What? Oh, ndibonile kuphi England. But now we talking about England cheap. Maize South Africa. Ay, eTexini. Ay, mpama. Ajo clash. Abashapile kampamba. Uthunsize mfana. But it's original. But no, you can't wear Gucci in a taxi. So I wear me.
I love it.
Ndiye Mr. Price, ngithenge skipper, susi tag ye Mr. Price, print my face on it. Right now I have superstar material merch that I'm working on. I've designed it myself. I'm going to be wearing that. Akekho umuntu ozocriticize instead of, yo, mfethu unique ndayifuna leya nto. I'm not wearing a Nike, but they want my album cover that I put here. I'm a billboard. I can't pay for a billboard there. I'm my own billboard. It's how I work.
If you create a bunch of that, you can send us some here. I would
Most
be happy
definitely.
to rock it, but it should be black.
Black. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm working with white and black.
Yeah, I'll be happy to have that. Bro, do you have any intimidation by AI on your music career?
Great question. by the way.
No, because the song I just told you about, the chorus is AI. Zonke.
Aibo.
Hey.
I've listened to that
Naman-
song.
Yeah, yes, AI. 100% AI. We prompt.
Yo.
It's going to confuse ngokuthi ithi zonke. And if for one thing enzothatha credit ngayo, our AI pronounced Venek better than Egaria Suka.
Gopane,
It's a
ithi
sugar.
sugar,
It's a sugar. Ours went zonke.
Hayi kodwa-ke i-benchmark uRia. Set the benchmark that
There you go.
nigga wonke umuntu
So,
ureferensa yena.
that's why benza kuleyo nto, that's why umangalo by AI, because it pronounced, we just gave it uzonke qha kwi-Venek i-chorus yakhona, but the other na 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 zonke, though labo na 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 na, it's English into yayo. Then we just wanted zonke and made sure ukuthi lo zonke simlungisa until azabe perfect ukuthi yena sound. Then we came in, because now if you're gonna have an AI verse ingoma ethi zonke, then izoba i-English yonke. And then mawuforce ukuthi ibe ne-Venek khona la izopronounce bad. So Abza was like, you know what, hook AI original artist on the verses. And that's how it went. So I'm not intimidated at all. I'm tapped in kuyo. Ngiyazama. My younger brother is the one guy awula. Ubhale enye proposal akanisendele yona Wednesday.
He would come with.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
bengicinga uzozana.
Yeah, he responded late. He shoots podcast, uyo shoota everything ya nje yonke into nje nama visuals. And manje usengene lento AI. He wrote enye that I'm gonna pitch when you corporate company, a big one here. I think a different ones, because if they reject, it's banks basically. So if this bank rejects, AI. So I'm using AI as my friend to my advantage, and I'm not making it my enemy at all.
That's amazing. man.
no, at all.
I love that line. Bro, I really enjoyed this. Yeah.
That AI. Yeah.
I really enjoyed
Good
it.
line. Good and
Yeah, I really had fun. When we come again, we'll do this frequently. I'm having
Please,
nice
please,
time around
guys,
here.
please.
So when we come along the year, we'll give you like a whole. Yeah.
Nah, you will come down to Bloom.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna live by this now. As Vi, I'm gonna Vi as well.
Yeah.
We
That's
we
right,
learn
that's
a
my
lot from
shit.
traveling and meeting new people,
Yeah,
and
man.
that's what you're experiencing today. You know, it's my first time meeting you, and thank you, Speeches, for organizing this speech.
Yeah, I had to represent my homeboy, and then she was like,
Yeah.
"Panic, oh,
man.
now
Yeah.
I'll pull through for
Yeah,
you."
no,
matter what,
I
I'll
really
pull through.
appreciate it. I mean, you Stimrate, you know where we come from. To be doing such interviews today, started where we started. It's amazing, man.
Because even with him, like broadcast, angithi nje bathi pod, which is for digital, but it's
Yeah.
broadcasting. Me being in like part, lento akandazi ngayo endiyithandayo, ndizoyirepresenta on his bro. Like that's our childhood dream.
Yeah.
He was a broadcaster. He was dreaming about being a broadcaster. I was dreaming about being an artist. Today I'm interviewed by him. Ngale nto besithetha ngayo.
Oh,
That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Kunto enye into ungayazi
yeah.
wena
Crazy, right?
ngami. Mna bra.
Yini wabulala bani?
Hayi.
Oh, okay. Andiyazi kahle kule. Yeah. Yeah.
Hayi, ezinye ze I don't like to take credit and things like that, but ezinye ze-movements ngifake input la. Yeah, wagqibile hayi ndizithulele nje yabo. Interviews ezinje zenze SABC yabo.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hayi mina bekegayida kakhulu. Even this
Yabo.
thing ayithetha ngayo i-radio kanje. I used to talk to him eseMotheo. Yeah, with him Mfethu, how do I act programs manager? I don't know that.
Yeah,
No
kanje
combined.
nakanje, but andikho
yeah.
nawo uba they are superstar people abazoba nayo.
I'm a
Which is what
superstar.
which is what I'm up for when I'm a brother. Even
Yeah.
nasendlini or in your family, if someone is doing law, uyabona ukuthi break it down ukuthi law iyasipana kwi-entertainment.
Yeah.
If someone is doing agriculture, izongena landscaping and what
somewhere.
design and whatnot. If you're doing chemistry, izongena in daily use things, uyabo. Vaseline esizisebenzisayo apho nansi.
Yeah.
There's chemistry involved there. Uyabo. If you're doing fashion design and whatnot, naba Esther Mahlangu, umama ugogo Esther Mahlangu, iPorsche izipeyintwe ngabo. Who would have thought ukuthi a painter
Yeah.
or a sculptor or a fine artist emerge with a huge brand like Porsche, which is in engineering and mechanical, but nansi dibene ne-art, or Nelson Makamu, which is why I love platforms ezifana nezo
Yeah.
YouTube ne-information. And another thing, thina-ke or thina abantu aba-curious, actually everyone who's curious, nabantu abaku-music business okanye who are in business side of everything, they look into finer things, into fine details, like i-credits. Xa ugqiba ubukela imovie,
Yeah,
mna I
it's-
would pause and watch all those
Nami I
credits.
used to do that nge-UTV ngifuna
Yeah.
ukusenda i-CV yami for sound engineering.
Yeah, upause bawujonge who's the sound producers,
yeah.
what.
And that's the
Information
guy who's going to
hip-hop.
respond to you. He's not big-headed. He's not a star. He's
Exactly.
behind.
I know a
Mm,
lot
just
of producers
yeah.
as SABC. Yeah, content producers, real content producers.
Not content creators.
Content producers.
Influencers, yeah.
Yeah, and these things take time actually. Yeah, these things take time. Yeah, so we must just push on. I like resilience.
It's amazing.
I like
It's amazing.
resilience.
Yeah. And yeah, like he's
You have
he's,
to
he's down to
evolve,
earth.
bro. Like you have to adapt. Imagine if I was going against these new kids. Hip hop by Safari.
Yeah, there's a
So
lot of resistance.
instead of
from-
going against them, I'm not saying join them. Just have an amicable, a mutual understanding and find your gap. Because my album, trust me, it's not anything enziwa the youngins, amaqwelas and what. But trust me, everybody's gonna relate. Everybody's gonna relate. There's a song for everyone.
Massive Alin
Yeah, man.
All right.
Until next
my brother,
time.
thank you so much for showing up. Send my greetings to who put iFunny Raise Me. I love this
Hi,
song.
man.
Ngomezi
Yeah.
Mnandi, Millie.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so
you,
much.
you should actually create a clip of this you saying this. I'm gonna forward it and then I'm gonna forward back the response. I think that's the best.
Yes,
Damzi.
edit.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching up to this point, and we still reporting from Senton. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this conversation with someone that you think might like it most or need it most. Otherwise, we're out until we see you again, my friends.
Asivai.
Peace.
That's right.